Good afternoon. Thanks for joining us here at 4 o'clock. I'm Dustin Grove. Jenny Runovich is in for Felicia today. And we begin with day 2 of testimony in the trial against 2 IMPD officers accused of killing a man they were sent to help.
Herman Whitfield III died in police custody 2.5 years ago in his home. His parents had called 911 for a mental health help for their son. Officers who responded, shocked, handcuffed, and restrained him face down. Our Karen Campbell has been in the courtroom all day and breaks down today's proceedings.
The prosecution called 2 of the officers who were at the Whitfield home the night Herman Whitfield III died. The prosecutors continue to try and prove their case that officers Adam Ahmad and Steven Sanchez violated or didn't follow their department's general orders. In the courtroom, the jury watched body camera videos of officers Nicholas Matthews and Jordan Bull. Bull was Matthews' field training officer. Matthews testified Whitfield ran from the kitchen to the dining room and he heard what sounded like an ineffective taser. He went into the dining room and said he saw Whitfield flailing on the ground. Matthews said he used a technique that interlocks Whitfield's legs to get him to comply. After Whitfield was handcuffed and complying, the prosecution asked, "Did you ask, should Herman be rolled over?" Matthews replied, "I did." The prosecution then asked, "Did anyone respond?" Matthews, "Yes, Officer Ahmad." The prosecution, "What did Ahmad say?" Matthews replied, "No." When emergency services arrived, Matthews told EMS that Whitfield had been out for about 5 minutes before they arrived. The defense argued the taser Sanchez used was ineffective, which saying basically it may have led to Whitfield flailing on the ground while officers were trying to put handcuffs on him. Now, the defense asked Matthews, "Did you ever feel that Whitfield's life was in danger?" Matthews replied, "No." Still much more testimony to come here on day 2 of this trial. I will have much more coming up at 5 and 6. Karen Campbell, 13 News.